What up?
Hello.
Out of all the cookies, you're healed.
Sorry.
Okay, that's fine. Would you like a tissue?
I'm okay. I'll make it.
Out of all the cookies, what's your favorite cookie to buy?
Like a prepackaged cookie?
Yeah. Or let me rephrase that. Out of all the cookies there are to buy, sandwich cookies, like Oreos, how are they number one or not number one?
I'd say they're pretty much number one. But I like the vanilla ones.
See, that was what I was going to ask you. Because I feel like Oreo's marketing, I feel like their marketing is just... They figured it out. They've tapped into my psyche. They're like, you know you want an Oreo cookie. But here's the thing. When we go and get, like, cookies, we get the knockoffs, right?
Yep. Duplex cookies.
Yeah, duplex cookies, which are, like, half Oreo, like, half chocolate, half vanilla, cream filling in the middle. Or we'll get all vanilla. The thing is, I think I like the all vanilla better. But there's never been a time where I'm like in self-doubt, lots of inner turmoil, need Dr. Phil, need help, SOS. It's like, I know in reality I like the vanilla ones better, but I always am like, wait, but those ones that look like Oreos, right? I just think it's their marketing. Glad we're on the same page.
I think you just love chocolate.
No, dude, I like the vanilla ones better.
Well, okay. But you gravitate towards the chocolate.
But the brain is always like, take a left, bitch. I'm like, you know what I mean? I'm like, what do I do? And then you decide, and it all pans out. Okay, so my younger sister just started a YouTube channel, and this is kind of the plan as of now. There are no guarantees. I annoy her very easily, and she's trying. I will give her credit. She's trying not to be annoyed by me just being myself. Now, this is the plan. Me and her are going to do like mukbang eating shows on her channel. So we recorded a video of us eating this fucking Oreo right here. Like the shit you're seeing in front of your eyes. If this shit dazzles you, you may or may not want to see me trying to entertain you while eating a cookie. I don't fucking know. Anyway, I'm gonna put a link down below as soon as we plan to upload the videos together. Like, I upload what you're watching right now, and she uploads ours. We'll see how it goes. I'm confident it will pan out. Dude, look at this. I can't believe that worked. I cannot believe this recipe worked. Oh my god. It tasted like brownies, right?
Yep.
But like dense. Like, it's hard to describe.
Yeah, it was very chewy.
Chewy, thick, dense, thin brownies? I don't know. Peace.